Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show to you a tutorial on how to play YouTube videos while using other apps on Android. So I've already opened my YouTube, and then for example I want to watch this video, and then at the same time I want to text someone, and what you need to do is just use the split screen feature on my phone. So in this case I'm using Oppo phone, so this video will helpful to you Oppo user or any Android user. So I'm playing this video, and then what you need to do is just long press the three horizontal icon at the bottom of my phone, and then choose the apps that you want to use at the same time. In this case I'm open the message option, and then you can just text someone and then watch the video at the same time. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can play videos on YouTube while using other apps on Android phone. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.